Welcome to VMACE animation learning classes. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make animation in Scratch. इस project में I will make a walking man. Watch these steps very carefully and then you will be also able to make this kind of animation. Now this is the Scratch window. हमारे script area में अभी cat sprite present है. So first we will delete the sprite. Now below this we will choose a sprite from file. Then we will choose people. Basically we have to make a man who is walking. So this is boy walking A. We have taken the sprite and now we reduce the size. Now for the background, what we will do? For the background, we have double clicked this white area, that is stage. Then we'll go to background. यहाँ पे हम करेंगे import. अब import में आपके पास options हैं indoors, nature, outdoors and sports. So I'm going to choose a tree. Okay, clicking this sprite one, I will rename it as boy. So let us start making the animation for this walking boy. When flat clicked, then we will import another sprite for this boy because हमें इसमें boy को move करते हुए दिखाना है. So we are going to show that first the left leg is in front, then the right leg comes in front. So we took this boy walking B and one more sprite, that is boy walking C. And then comes boy walking D. Okay, so when this flag is going to be clicked, it's going to wait for 2 seconds, then switch to boy walking B. Then we'll go to motion. We'll write move, suppose 4 steps. Let us see. Okay, this has came. Now here we are going to copy these things only, okay, with the help of this, because अब हमें इन steps को सबको repeat करना है. Script where we are using these blocks. अब यहाँ पे आपको costumes का अच्छे से ध्यान देना है. First costume boy, it is going to change into B, then C, then we have to write third is D, and then it's going to turn into A. Okay. And in control, we can write it repeat. We'll use this block. We'll use it as repeat 5. Okay, now to check this, to play this. You can see the boy actually moving, but in this, we have slowed it a little bit. So if you want to change, now here comes. ओके अब यहाँ पे हमने बॉय को मूव करते हुए एनिमेशन हमने क्रिएट कर लिया, बट अब यहाँ पे देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. If you want to increase the time span कि मतलब ये बहुत जल्दी से पूरी screen को cover करे, या फिर you want to slow it up, or you want to increase the steps, so we will be making changes in these things. We can make it to, instead of 4 steps we can make it 10, 10, here also 10, here also 10. Okay, here comes, now we play. Now here we put this boy again. We'll be switching to presentation mode. There's a green flag. अब हम इसे play करेंगे. Now see, this boy is moving. Using Scratch we have made this boy move. और इन्हीं animation blocks को use करके आप इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे animations बना सकते हो very easily. Now here you see the boy is moving from left to right. This was the animation for this. See it again. When flag clicked, repeat 5 times, move 10 steps, then switch to costume, boy walking B, then wait 1 second, then move again 10 steps. To stop this, we'll click this red button. Now the time is to save this animation. We'll go to File, then Save As. Here we can write the project name, Walking Boy. Project author you can write VMACE about this project. This project shows how to make easy animation in Scratch. So this was the simple way to create animation.